Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Gate. This is Tanni Sharma. Here I am discussing the GATE syllabus for CSIT student. In this syllabus, we also analyze the marks of the each subjects and also discuss the most important subjects for CSIT students. So if you have craze, passion and obduracy to crack the GATE, so let's start. In the GATE syllabus of CSIT, it carries 11 to 13 subjects, and most important subjects are your discrete and engineering mathematics, which contains 14 to 20 marks. Second is your theory of computation. It is also important and it carries 8 to 10 marks. Third is digital logic. It carries 5 to 10 marks. Fourth is computer organization and architecture. It is most important for the CS student and it carries 5 to 15 marks. Next is your programming and data structure. So basis of the GATE syllabus, here only the C programming is asked and using the all the concepts of C programming. So it carries 10 to 15 marks, which is really important for us. Sixth is your algorithm. So algorithm is carry 5 to 7 marks. Next is compiler design. It carry 4 to 6 marks. Eighth is your operating system and it carry 8 to 10 marks. Ninth is database system and it carry 6 to 12 marks. And 10th is your computer network and it carry 8 to 11 marks. And the 11th and most important subject, that is general aptitude, which is more important for GATE as well as other competitive examination. So it carry along only the 15 marks, which is really very highest marks contained by this subject. Now last two subjects are software engineering and web technologies. These two subjects are carried very less weightage as well as less marks as compared to other subjects. In software engineering, it carry 2 to 3 marks, and in the web technology, it carry 1 to 3 marks. Now, these subjects' marks is analyzed basis of the previous year paper. Now, come to the core subjects and most important subjects, where I include only the 8 subjects in this chart paper. I prepared this chart paper for subject important topics and important points, which is very precise and most important for us. So start from first subject, that is your TOC, theory of computation. It carries 8 to 10 marks, which is really important for us. And here most important points are regular expression, finite automata, CFG context-free grammar, push-down automata, regular and context-free languages, pumping lemma, Turing machines, and undecidability properties. Also ask the NP problems. And next is your programming and data structure. So in the programming and data structure, it carries 10 to 15 marks, and here important points are programming in C, like functions, recursion, parameter passing, scope, binding, abstract data types, array, stack, queue, linked list tree, binary search tree, and binary heap. Now come to the next subject, that is operating system. In the operating system, it carries 8 to 10 marks, and important points like process, thread, inter-process communication, concurrency, synchronization, deadlock, CPU scheduling, memory management, and virtual memory file system, input-output system, protection and security is also included here. Now come to the next topic, that is your computer network. In the subject of the computer network, it carries 8 to 11 marks, and important points are ISO stack, LAN technology, Ethernet, token, ring, flow and error control techniques, routing algorithm, congestion control, TCP, UDP and sockets. In the IPv4's application layer protocols like your ICMP, DNS, SMTP, POP, FTP, STP, etc. Basic concepts of hub, switch, gateway and router. And in the case of the network security, here basic concept is using of the public key and private key cryptography, digital signature and firewall. Now, next subject is your algorithm. So it contains 5 to 7 marks. Analysis and important points are analysis, asymptotic notation, notation of the space and time complexity, worst case, average case analysis, design like your greedy approach, dynamic approach, divide and conquer approach, tree and graph traversal, connected components, spanning tree, sorted path, hashing, sorting, searching is very important. And here also analysis of the best case, worst case and average cases of the time and space. Also uppercase and lowercase bound, basic concepts of complexity classes like P, NP, NP hard, NP complete. Come to the next subject, that is your compiler design. So compiler design contains 4 to 6 marks, and important points and topics are lexical analysis, parsing, syntax directed translation, runtime environment, intermediate and target code generation, basic code of optimization. Next is your engineering and discrete mathematics, which is really and most important of the every student, not for the CS, but it is very important for other branches of the student, and it carries 14 to 20 marks, and it is divided into the first sub parts like your mathematical logic, set theory and algebra, combinators, graph theory, probability, linear algebra and calculus. Now, inside the mathematical logic, we have two topics, that is propositional and first order logic. And in the case of this set theory and algebra, important points and topics are set, relation, function, particular order, partial order, lattice, group, etc. And in the case of the combinator, we have most important points are counting, recursion relation, generating functions. And in the case of the graph theory, there are just 3 things is important. First is connectivity, matching and coloring, and probability, which is most important topic, which contains random variable, uniform, normal, exponential, Poisson and binomial distribution, mean, mode, median and standard deviation. It is also contains the conditional probabilities Bayes theorem. And now in the case of the linear algebra, the most important points are matrix, determinants, system of linear equation, eigenvalue and eigenvector, LU decomposition. And in the case of the calculus, the most important points are limits, continuity, differentiability, maxima and minima, mean values theorem and integration. Now come to the next, that is your general aptitude. In the case of the general aptitude, it carry only 15 marks, which is very important for GATE applicants. It is divided into 2 parts. First is your verbal ability, second is your numerical ability. So in the case of the verbal ability, the important points are English grammar, sentence completion, verbal analogies, word group instructions, critical reasoning and verbal detection. And in the case of the numerical ability, Important points are numerical computation, numerical estimation, numerical reasoning, and data interpretation. So if you complete these 2 subjects like your discrete and engineering mathematics and general aptitude, so there are 100% probability that is you will be completely qualified the GATE exam. So these 2 subjects is most important for us and every student who want to qualify the GATE and crack the GATE. At the end of this session, if you want new GATE tricks, tips and important notes, so please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for my latest video notification. Thank you for watching.